Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. Lord lad's been asking there, Bubsky. Seen you whip up the wall flashing, lad. One with the built-in J there, pal. She's smoother than my grandmother's mashed potatoes, but how you meshing them together, pal? I want to see two become one, boys. Holiest matrimonious of flashings. Well, quit asking, pal. I'll show you. Boom. Boom. There's your counter flash, your built-in J. Dialed, wild. Oh, my sweet child. You got your two pieces there. On the one side, we're going to nip this J at an angle. This bottom relief at an angle. Then up at the top, we're going to get this hem opened up nice. Get it opened up there. Then on our other side, we're going to cut the back top at an angle. Then we're just going to open up this bottom hem. Get it nice and wide. Open up the hem on this J. Nice and wide. When we bring them together, that big hem goes inside that one. Then you look at the face of the J. That one goes inside that one. Then you look at the bottom. That one goes inside that one. Bring it together. Nice and tight like. Boom. So there's your joint. You can see it's all, everything's interlocked, flowed, tucked. Tighter than a spider's ring piece, pal. Here you